Black smoke rising from my hometown, nowhere to run anymore.
Hey folks, it is Turtle Tracks again, and here we are with a huge group of turtle helpers, and they're going out with me right now to find Catherine. And here they are. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Sheila.
Sheila.
I'm James.
James.
I'm Caitlin. Colette's carrying the equipment.
Excellent, Caitlin. Thank you.
I'm Jackson, and I'm carrying some of the equipment.
You're going to be doing our tracking. You're the first tracker for us. Excellent.
I'm Kate, and I'm holding a rock.
Nice.
I'm Lauren.
Hey, Lauren.
I'm Ginger, and this is Lily.
Lily.
Say hi.
What's your name?
Rusty.
Hey, Rusty.
Julie.
Julie.
Sandra.
Sandra.
Natalie.
Natalie.
Jennifer.
Hey, Jennifer. Fred. Hey, Fred.
I'm Tim.
Hey, Tim.
I'm Ainsley.
Ansley. And don't hide that. Hey, Paxton. I know you. All right.
I'm Mike.
And Mike. Who did I miss?
Me.
Yes.
Hello.
What's your name? Kate. Yeah, well, you just said you're holding the rock.
Yeah.
All right, Kate. Well, you're on there
I'm
twice.
holding two.
Excellent. Let's go find a turtle with 2 rocks for good luck. How about that? All right, let's do it. Lead the way. You lead the way. You got the antenna.
This way.
Well, let's go.
Don't go fast.
She's in here.
I can't think.
Sounds hot. I'm going over there.
Okay.
Walking through the ashes at sundown, nowhere left to lay low. Biding our time so long now, among the shadows, waiting for a sign, and somehow nowhere to run anymore. There's nowhere to lay low. 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 There's nowhere to run and nowhere to lay low. Pieces lie scattered all around me from another life long ago.
What do you think, Paxton?
Louder.
Give me a direction. Spin that thing.
These make bait or bear bait?
I can't wait to see that. Giving me 5 bars.
That's a good thing. That means we're getting very close. What do you think? Point, let's see what direction. What do you think? Stop and move it real slow. You might want to lower it down just a little. No, like tilt it down. Tilt it down a little more. That's good. What do you think? Straight down?
Yep, straight down.
I don't know. I think over here.
And stand right here and see if you can figure out where she is just by standing there and getting a good beep.
Try to not get hurt.
Yeah, definitely this way.
I see something black over there.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. I think it's a stick.
It's a log.
No, not that log. Not the log. It's really
So she's somewhere.
You're gonna
When
find a
can
turtle?
I film?
In a little
I
while.
tried to get her to talk to me. She wouldn't even show me where her eyes were.
Yep. All right, right down here.
Earlier, she was happy.
You don't have to go unless you want to.
No, I'll go with you.
Okay. She can't be far.
Get away from the people. Everybody help me. Sorry, Steve, we're making jokes.
That's all right. Everybody does.
That's right.
Perfectly fine.
Where are y'all from?
She's right in here. And this is very typical for a box turtle and all this blowdown. Oh, wait a minute. There she is. See her?
Oh, yeah.
Excellent. Where am I? It's zeroed out. All right. Are you ready? Here we go. This is Catherine.
Hi, Catherine. Hey, Catherine.
And she is probably somewhere between 60 and 70 years old. We're guessing. We're not 100% sure. She knows people. You know, she's like, oh, he's got me again. How did he find me? And if you notice, she's got a very polished shell. She doesn't have a lot of definition in her shell. That tells you that she's old. Okay, putting her in.
All right, Catherine.
Getting a weight. I'm going to give him the turtle. I'll give him his hat. I was going to give him the turtle. There she goes peeing.
Catherine peed.
That's just what they do when they're scared. See, she's scared now because we've been holding her.
And then she peed on your hand.
I'm not worried. It's basically water. So I'm going to wipe it on my pants here. Not too worried about it. And y'all want to hold her even though she peed?
Yeah.
Yes.
You two right here, hold her. Now wet stuff will get on her hand. Just don't put your hand in your mouth.
Oh, Jack.
Now, we're going to get some pictures really quick here.